Welcome to the channel. In a few videos back, I showed you a video of me getting a 10x10 ShelterLogic garage in a box, shed in a box. When I finished putting that up, at the end of that video, I told you that I would be putting up a tarp over it for extra protection from the sun, so it helps keep the ShelterLogic tarp canvas longer, because they do rot out fast. And all I do is put a tarp on, and when the tarp gets deteriorated, I replace the tarp. So it's cheaper to replace the tarp than it is to buy a whole nother cover. So if you remember, there's my ShelterLogic 10x10. And then at Harbor Freight sells some odd size tarps, because I needed it long enough. I needed it. This is 10x10, which is not exactly 10x10. So then, and then when you buy a tarp, you say like, 10 foot. It's not exactly 10 foot, shorter. It's like 9 foot something. All right. So I wanted it to go over a little bit on both sides, and I wanted it to come down to here a little bit longer than up here, to help protect the side a little bit. So 11 foot 4, 9 foot 19 foot 6. Heavy duty, reflective, one of the silver tarps. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. And then you can always look up all different tarps. But this was, pretty decent price. 9 mil. I've used them before. So I'm going to throw the tarp over, and then I'll show you how I hook it on. Okay, my wife helped me get the tarp over, so I have it over about this far down. I didn't want to go all the way to the ground. I wanted to just keep it there, because I don't know, it's good enough. Have it tucked in on the ends all the way around on both sides. So now I'll show you how to what I do to just tie the strings to it. Okay, so I got the tarp tucked in right here, and I just got some ripcord that I'd laying around. So I pulled it in here, tied it here, down at the bottom, pulled it in, tied it in there. Same thing on these corners, and then these ones here in the middle, I just pulled over to there, back over to here, and then back over to here, and tied it on both these middle things. Okay, up at the top, got right up there, one on each side, tied it to the middle, tied it from that side to the middle, and then the same thing on that side, back and forth. Okay. It's not the greatest looking thing, but hey, guess what? It's just a shed. Woo. So, and I'll just show you this side here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all covered on. And then down on the end, I just have one, and I cut a little here, just so this can go right through and hold this down. Okay. Try the back side. Back side, same thing. Is what it is. Just a shed for my lawn tractor. Whatever. All right. Just a quick little video. I told you I'd put it out there, what I do to help protect the shed of the box a little bit longer. So I just put a tarp over it. So if you're interested, Link will be in the description below. Tractor Supply, not Tractor Supply. Harbor Freight. Yeah, Harbor Freight. And you know what to do. Hit those buttons. I greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.